So just want to take a little bit more time to announce. In the morning, you already heard from our dean to mention about it. Actually, we just got a grant from Nordic Energy Research, and this for a project. This project called EnergyInformatics.Academy Network Nordic. Of course, it's not something. It's a research project. And other researchers, to be honest, research is not my interest. However, during so many years as a researchers, we see actually in order to realize something, in order to really have this provide value to the community, to the society, actually one thing is very important is we need to interact. We need to interact with our peers. We need to interact with industry, and also we need to interact with the people who's cross the border. So that is actually the main purpose for us to apply this application and get. And thanks very much to Nordic Energy Research, although they cannot present, but actually is without their sponsors. Actually, is we have this kind of idea for quite a long time, but finally we can say we are going to do it, and right now. And the project is going to start from, I was just informed, latest 3rd of September this year, and going to yes, hardcore, yes. And we just got these decisions last week, so just in time before the event. And it's going to be 4 years a project. This is also the reason why we have these 4 countries and 4 universities here, and we have no room for the for the 4th country. So I will going to contact Finland afterwards, see whether they would like to pick it back. Okay, so the program structure is we're going to have annual research exchange, including PhD student, postdoc, junior researcher, and senior researchers. And this is actually, and also each year we're also going to have this annual summer school for PhD, master student, and junior professions. And this is actually each year we are going to pick up 1 country, and which is going to center around this country research institute who's involved in their research expertise. And then actually we are going to have all the detailed information we're going to announce. Of course, the other institutes and universities and welcome to join in, because we are going to create more active this collaboration environment. And also we're trying to focus them for this research exchange, and some schools we try to really like the visit. When they visit that country, they're not only just a visit sitting in the office, and we are going to create more this culture and this environment to really blend in with the local, and also have more dialogue, more for example, the visit to for some industries and some kind of like labs. So that's we really want to make it more active. And then follow up this summer school, and we are going to have this annual conference, and which is going to have quite a lot of this. We're going to plan to have some this keynote speeches again, but this time we're going to get more like from 2 sides, from academics and also from the industry professions. So it's also going to open up for everyone. And of course, for the summer school and conferences, the audience will not going to be only from the Nordic. However, we are going to focus on what the Nordic, what we are interested in, what we think is important to explore, to focus. So this is going to be what the focus. So what we are going to during the project, when we end the project, we are going to reach this goal. So we are going to have 3-month PhD student exchange, which is already predefined, but as I said, is other research institute, is university, they are welcome to also join the group. And we are going to have a 12 one-week research exchanges and 4 summer schools and 4 conferences, which is among the 4 countries. And long-term outcome. And I'm so happy, first of all, is that for Nordic Energy Research and also Energy Cluster Denmark, and they sponsored this event. And we're so happy to have this funding to have this 4 years project. But however, this is not our ambitions. And we think, in order to really make think, and Gunnar said, things go so fast, and which is just a fixed project, have a fixed kind of scope, actually cannot dealing with this evolution of the development in the field. So that's actually the main purpose of what we are planning to do. Actually, we are going to have. Hopefully, it's permanent. Of course, I cannot guarantee what permanent it means, but we are in the process of developing of this long-term partnership with the university research institute, including industries, and which is focused on the field of energy informatics. And in order to do so, we are also going to have organized this annual event. So as I said, this 4 years, we're going to have this annual event, including this research exchange conference, summer schools in these 4 countries. But we would like to, is in the future going to be to touch upon any territory in the Nordic regions, including Finland and Greenland and Faroe Islands, or any regions which identified with called Nordic context. So we're also going to do this. That's actually the why for this panel session we talk about this curriculums, because you can see there are so many similarities among this culture in the Nordic countries, but also there are so many differences. And also, basically, if you look at from this, the need in the societies, the job market, there's lots of actually opportunities for us to have collaborations. And another thing, actually, I continue to ask a question regarding is what's the competence and what's the skills, what's the future professionals need. And also all of you said it's evolving so fast, right? Then actually it means we need to have a continuous developed curriculums which can fulfill the need. So if we cannot predict the future, at least we can follow. If we can just maybe 5 years ahead of the future, it means our student will after the graduate, and then actually what they learned, they can use it right away, right? And also, this kind of annual event curriculum development is relatively just happened once every year or certain time of the year. And in order to make it more active, actually we are going to have a platform. This platform allowed anyone who's interested in energy informatics and who's want to learn something, who want to share something, and who want to find something, for example, find some collaboration opportunities, find some job opportunities, which can go through this platform, can find something which is they are fighting for. And also we are going to have more active forums and roundtable discussions. And it's going to be physical or and also online, which depends on the scope. But we really would like to really engage people actively. So this is actually what our scope for expected to get from the project. Of course, within these 4 years, we are going to start to do this kind of experiment in order to see how we can make sure these long-term goals or outcomes can be realized. And so thanks physically and online. Thanks for your attention and interest in our project, and you will definitely going to hear more from us. And since I have your emails, and it means, and please do let me know if you really don't want to hear from me. I hope not. Yes. And so if I can. Yes, if allow me, is although Ivan he's not here and he should say it, but we have decided next year is going to be in Sweden. Especially you already heard from him talk a lot regarding data, and everyone's so interested in data. And that is the reason why we think, okay, then let's talk about data even more. So that's we are going to organize, as I mentioned, all these activities next year in Sweden. And I hope any of you have opportunities, and please join us, either in Sweden or just from the beginning of the project and just even receive some informations, or both, of course. Yes. So thanks very much for today, and I know it's a very long day, and thanks for your involvement and discussions, which did a very good event. Without you, it won't happen. Thank you.